Okay, next game at pitch number 2, number 1. Initaw FC versus XU Alumni. Above 35. Next game, pitch number 1. Initaw FC versus XU Alumni.
Ayun.
Pitch number 2. Next game, pitch number 2. Soccer mom category. Soccer mom,
Okay.
Soccer mom category, pitch number 2. Pitch number 3. Boys 14. Magis FCB versus DHFC. At pitch number 4. Next game, pitch number 4. Men's Open category. Marvel FC versus Oro Football Club. Next game, pitch number 4. Men's Open category. Marvel FC versus Oro Football Club. At pitch number 5. Next game, pitch number 5. At San Lorenzo Ruiz FC versus Cavalier FC. At pitch pitch number 6, next game. Corpus Christi Knights FC versus Roswell School. Pitch number 6. Under 10 category. Corpus Christi Knights FC versus Roswell School. At pitch number 7. Please proceed to the pitch now. Next game. Magis FC White versus Monte Carlo FC. Pitch number 7, under 8 category. Magis FC White versus Monte Carlo FC. Please proceed to the pitch now.
Hey!
Monte Carlo, under 8 category. Asan na Monte Carlo? Palogo, proceed sa pitch number 7. Monte Carlo, under 8. Monte Carlo, under 8. Please proceed to the pitch now. Pitch number 7, Monte Carlo.
Okay. Okay. Achoo.
Ref, at pitch number 7. Palihog ko. Timing, kay lisod kayo sige tagtawag ani. 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. Dili, unfair kay sa team, kailangan ko na. Palihog ko sa coach, kanang mga coach ba, palihog ko, be mindful sa inyong schedule. Kasuko, ano mo nang tangi perfect? Pasanginan bang announcer?
Oh, Choy.
Pitch number 2, Soccer Mom category. Soccer Mom category, pitch number 2, DHFC. DHFC Aneres versus DHFC Maria. Palihog ko mga ma'am, proceed na to sa pitch number 2. Soccer Mom category.
Ay! Ay, bakit?
Asa na itong soccer mom? Ay, kulang kaya kailang pangalan. Soccer hot mom category. At pitch number 2. DHFC Marias versus DHFC Aneres. Please proceed at pitch number 2. Soccer mom.
We are children. Let's make it happen.
CJ. CJ.
Gol!